everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. I thought I would film this video today before I get out there in the bitter cold. I have on a scarf that I crocheted just to kind of give you an idea. I don't know where you all are, but here in Maryland, it is super cold. But anyway, today's video, everyone, is called Styling My Way. So that's what we'll be doing today. I'm going to be styling my living room and my entryway my way. And you all know that I'm a bit of a minimalist, so it's not going to be a lot. It's not going to be a long video. But let me tell you a little bit about Styling My Way. It's an open collaboration. It's hosted every third Friday of the month. And the hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Now there are some co-hosts. They are Designed with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So in Styling My Way, you can style any area in your home. You can do a mantelpiece, your kitchen, anything that of your choosing. You can style your way. Okay, so today, like I said, I've chosen to style my living room here and my entryway. Now next month I probably could do another room. So let's see here. I don't have anything new in here except for one thing that I'll show you. I don't have anything new, but I've cleaned it all up except for my Pottery Barn pom-pom throw. I've had that here. I think I had that here before Christmas, of course, and I want to keep it because I love it so much and it's nice and soft and cozy. So that's one thing that I left. So to kind of shorten up the video, I do have some things that are already in place. And in my entryway in the credenza, I have, I used to have florals, Christmas florals. So I'm refreshing that with a winter arrangement, okay? So everything is clean. I use my sprayway on my glass tables, end tables and coffee tables. I use orange glow on my banisters on my steps. And so, I have everything nice and clean. So you guys keep watching and see how I refresh my living room, okay? Keep watching. Okay, everyone, so I'm going in first with these Tahari Sage Green pillows. You recall I got these from Home Goods and I got them cheaper than what they originally were because they had a couple of pulls on them, like this one right here and this one here, just a couple of pulls, but I'm going to camouflage them because I'm going to put another pillow in front of them. And then after this season ends or whenever I decide to take these up, I'm going to sew these back into place. But right now, I'm not doing that, okay? So I'm going in with these pillows first. My Tahari Sage Green pillows. And I like the texture of them. These pillows are chenille pillows. So these are actually really nice. I like them. They have that nice soft feel. Okay, so then all right, next I'm coming in with these like this, like a light gray. They have that like a slight velveteen finish on them, and it has this etching in it. It kind of looks, it's raised etching. But in some ways, it kind of looks a little bit like snowflakes, I think. But anyway, these pillow covers are from Amazon, and I do like the finish on them. So I'm just going to put those out in front here. And then I'm coming in with this cute little round pillow, and I believe I might have got this from Amazon. I believe that's where this is from, but I thought these are so cute. And so, you know, it kind of gives like a little winter white feel in between these, you know, silverish gray and winter white colors in the pillow. So I'm going to pop that right there in the middle. And then I'm going to get my Mongolian pillow. This is a authentic Tibetan Mongolian pillow. I love this, and I have two of them. I have one that's kind of like an orange color, but not real orange, maybe like a brick color. And then I have this one. So I'm gonna put this one over here on this chair, and I'm gonna turn the camera around just a little bit so you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna place this pillow right there, okay? So let's look around here now at the way this is set up. So this is gray. I have a little gray in my two pillows here, my pillow covers. So, you know, I think that matches pretty nice. You know, everything doesn't necessarily have to be super matchy. You just want it to be, you know, a coordinated look, okay? You know, somewhat cohesive. So now I didn't want to do winter greenery like Christmas tree fur. I wanted to use a different greenery this year that could take me into spring. So I've chosen to use some greenery that kind of gives like a, you know, like a winter feel. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to bring that in, and I'll show you what that's like. Keep watching. Okay, so on the video earlier, I might have said that this came from Home Goods. This actually came from the at-home store. So, you know, I lifted the bottom up. That's where it came from. You know, we frequent these stores so much, guys, you know, it's hard to, you know, keep them straight. So anyway, I like this because you can see I have some olive picks, and I need to go in and take this out. So I said I have a couple of things. This is one that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this was, I think they're 40% off now. So that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. But I like the greenery, and I love this vase. You know, just because primarily the shape of it, and it does have a bit of a distressed look on the side, so I do like that. So that's what we have here, and as you can see, it blends in very nicely. It's nice and cohesive with the pillows in the background, okay? So now I'm going to come in with some coffee table books. I am going to take that tag off. So I have this coffee table book, which is Homebody, Joanna Gaines. And this one is 500 Makeovers, House Beautiful, Great Ideas and Quick Changes. And these books really do have a lot of inspirational ideas. Now, I consider this a hack, okay? Because I'm gonna place those there. I consider that a hack because they are coming right back. Hold on. So these are library books, okay? And, you know, I already told you guys that, you know, if I really wanted to buy some real coffee table books, I could, and maybe one day I will, but right now it's just not a priority for me. So I'm doing a hack. I'm getting nice interior design books from the library, and I'm using them for my coffee table books. And actually, you know, I put a decorative piece on top of the label that shows that I got it from the library. But in any event, if someone comes over your house, they can at least say, oh, she reads. You know, this person goes to the library, because a lot of people, we don't read anymore, and it's important to read. And I do go to the library. I do Kindle in the library. So, you know, while I was in there one day looking for something else, I thought this is a perfect, you know, home decor hack. So that's what I've done. I have my interior design books from the library for my coffee table books, okay? So that's it. So that's the way I have styled this area. And then I'm going to take you guys off the ring, and I will show you how I have styled a couple of other areas, okay? And the other side of my living room, and I'll show you my winter arrangement in my entryway on the credenza. Keep watching. I forgot to add that I did include a candle on my coffee table. And this is an Ashland candle, aspen pine. So that smells really, really good. But I'm not lighting it right now because I am going to venture out, okay? So this is what my coffee table styling is looking like. And so let me just back out so that you can see what my living room looks like. So when you come into my home and you look to the left, this is what you see. All right, so let's move on into the credenza on my entryway. All right, everyone, so this is how my entryway looks when you come into my home. Now, typically, I always have some type of arrangement here for the season. Whatever the season is, that's what I have here. Spring, summer, fall, Halloween, Christmas. So since I removed all of the Christmas decor, I have come in with a winter arrangement. And so I really, really like this. And like I said, I didn't want to use Christmas fir this year. I wanted to use some greenery, you know, that looks like it could be winter. I make it look kind of wintry. But actually this greenery, I can carry it on into the spring and summer if I so choose. So what I like about this arrangement, well, first of all, I got this vase from Hobby Lobby, and it was green, and I put some chalk paint on it to give it a more distressed look. And then so I went to Hobby Lobby, and I've had this here probably right smack after Christmas, okay? I don't know what this greenery is called here, but I do like it, you know, but I think it's versatile. You know, I can get beyond winter with that greenery. And you know, that kind of stretches my coins. The other thing is I like these stems that have pine cones in them. Now, I don't know what these are, but I took them out of another arrangement and I thought that I would include them here. So, you know, like I said, it's minimal. I don't like, you know, I don't like things to look cluttered, I would say, or overwhelming to me. So that's what I have going on in my entryway. And of course I have my little angel over there, because I believe, you know, and pray that God surrounds us with his angels of love, mercy, and protection. Glory, hallelujah, amen. So that's what I have going on here. So let's move to the other side of my living room, because I haven't showed you that yet. Okay, keep watching. Here's this side of my living room. And this is the way I have styled this side of my living room space. And so I'm going to pan around a little bit so that you can see what this whole space is looking like. And as you can see, I have my faux coffee table books that I picked up from Amazon. So one is Vogue and one is Loewe. And yes, I pronounced it correctly. It's Loewe. And then I have my blue and white vase there because, you know, right now I don't have anywhere else that I want to put it up high, so I put it there. But this is this side of the living room, and I like the way I have styled my living room space and the winter arrangement on my credenza. I think that this is, you know, it's subtle and it looks nice. It's not overwhelming to me. So that's it. So you guys, I hope this is giving you some inspiration for styling your home your way, because we live in these homes and you have to style your home the way you enjoy it. That's what's important. And if you like these kind of videos, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to get to 600. I'm just trying to get to 600 for now. So if you like these types of videos, give me a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down in the comment box below. And again, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the Jean Home Decor and More family. I do so appreciate all my current subscribers, my future subscribers. I could not do this without you. Thank you, Anna and Tablescapes by Candy, for allowing me to co-host with you on Styling My Way. You guys are so gracious. Thank you so much. And everybody, check out the playlist so you can get a lot of nice ideas from some of the other YouTube channels. You guys have an amazing day, and until the next time, bye-bye.